Best Performance Cars for 2024 Toyota GR Corolla. Amidst the anticipation surrounding the latest releases for 2024, the unveiling of the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla has sent shockwaves through the automotive world. Positioned as a dynamic addition to Toyota's lineup, the GR Corolla promises to redefine expectations in the compact performance car segment, blending exhilarating performance with everyday practicality. At first glance, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla commands attention with its aggressive and aerodynamic design. Drawing inspiration from Toyota's motorsport heritage, the GR Corolla features bold lines, a striking front grille, and sporty accents that reflect its high-performance capabilities. From its distinctive LED headlights to its dual exhausts and rear spoiler, every element is meticulously crafted to optimize aerodynamics and enhance performance. Under the hood, the 2024 GR Corolla boasts a potent turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating performance and responsive acceleration that's sure to ignite the senses. With its front-wheel drive configuration and advanced suspension system, the GR Corolla offers precise handling and agile cornering, making it a thrilling companion on both the track and the street. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Toyota GR Corolla also prioritizes practicality and versatility. Despite its high-performance pedigree, the GR Corolla remains a practical daily driver, with ample cargo space, comfortable seating, and a host of standard features designed to enhance comfort and convenience. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Toyota GR Corolla represents a paradigm shift in the compact segment, offering drivers the perfect blend of exhilarating performance and everyday usability. Its sporty design, impressive performance, and practical features make it a top choice for drivers seeking thrills without compromising on comfort or practicality. In a market saturated with contenders, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla stands out as a true game-changer, a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and performance. With its blend of performance, practicality, and affordability, it is poised to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.